Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to join anyone on Roblox without being their friends. So step 1, you need to know their Roblox username. Make sure you know the exact username of the person you want to join. Roblox usernames are case sensitive, so be accurate. Number 2, go to their Roblox profile. So you can visit roblox.com, log into your account, and in the search bar, type their username and go to their profile. Step 3, check their join game status. To join their game, their privacy settings must allow others to join. So they just have to go to their privacy and then set this to everyone. If their join game button is visible and clickable, you're good to go. If it's grayed out or missing, then just proceed to the next step. Step 4, use the following method. So even if you don't want to add this person as a friend, or if you don't want to be friends with this person, you can just basically go to their profile and then click the three dots in the corner and select follow. Refresh their profile after a few seconds. If they're in a public server, the join game button may now appear, even if you're not friends. This only works if their privacy settings allow followers to join their game. Now, step 5, join through friends of friends if enabled. If your mutual friend is in the same server and their privacy settings allow it, you might be able to join through join game on the mutual friends profile. Lastly, you can enable your own who can join me settings. So if you want others to join you, even if they're not your friends, all you have to do is go to settings, privacy, scroll to who can join me and experiences, and you have to set this to everyone, our friends, users, follow, and followers. And basically, that's how easy it is to join anyone on Roblox without being their friends.